Hey guys, quick video how you're gonna connect your Samsung monitor to PC. So it's super simple. First, you're gonna need HDMI cable. Now, when you're gonna have HDMI cable, it's going to look like this. You're gonna connect it from the back of the monitor to your HDMI port, and then you're just gonna connect it to your PS5. And when you're gonna have the PS5, here you're going to find the HDMI. It's going to be right here. And then you're just gonna look here. HDMI. You're just gonna connect it there with the cable. That's it. Super simple. Now, if you have only, let's say, a VGA, so let's say you don't have HDMI on your Samsung, but you have VGA only adapter, you need to have adapter. So you're gonna have VGA to HDMI adapter, and this is how it works. So you're gonna buy it, and then you're gonna have VGA to VGA adapter, and then the HDMI ending to the PS, and that's how it works.